the concept of that CSF one, the definition of God, the science, intimate proves that no definitely, but so many group and the Uba Yamsua. Yes, so Kaka, so much, and said, Yakupo, where there, which may try, and the normal view so, or that said, with Yatum, the professor, or number of here. This is all Yakupo saying what it show. And the weeks are a point to you. But said, full light Kaka out. When you share pocket, I will say it is no, ideally. So what's the question?
Yeah, Matthias, Yamin Shraupa. The decline and he said, a CSF one day. First of all, no, the leader who is leading the CSF, no, on one person, why confused? On one person, why confused? The entire makers why confused, and he say, so what here a dean crampa a daniswa, any name some or can. And non kwan pono a contradictory. Because ninsem ni bia o kan say yen abi before yen fa ye de. Yen fa ye de. Ne som ni de ya abrofo ne de be dada ye ninsem hu bebre a o keka. But won so wudin no eda wo so no. Eye enya Ghana dim. The name Abraham bin Moshe no enya Ghana dim but eda wo so. Number 2, the meaning of Abraham bin Moshe no krampo no say Abraham ni gina homa Abraham and I say ba Arabic ma Ibrahim. Ana Ben no to say Arabic obeka say Ibn and I say bin say son of. So enti Abraham bin Moshe say Abraham, son of Moses. So who they call so the logic? Also, on the logic neka and that's what the common sense neka sa. So also the common sense better who pa now say what they are called in Nyamesumwa. The name no Abraham bin Moshe no, it does not make sense. Of course, and then obiat me to din yusu a din how they want it. But the name no eda no so no krampo no e kire se ono anu onim ya oye. But o de yemfa no nto ho. E free say CSF for buy. En kire pa e fa otumfo nyankopon omo ntimi nkire bi. Sesi a mimi amete ha sesi e no. Mintimi hu say CSF for no omo gi nyame di. Ana omo ngi nyame ni. Because Abraham bin Moshe sansem mienu nyina waka. 1, wadi kan aka se nyame bia ni ho. 2, wose nyame wo ho. Ogidi se nyame wo ho. Enso so ba bi so wose wonji se nyame wo ho. Sansem mienu nyina waka. Enti untimi hu ono ankasa ni gina bre when it comes to God. Ana 2 ene say enipa enya bibiara a ewo wiase na obetimi akasa wo the common sense ebe chirechirim. There is enyeme wasase su nyina na obetimi de common sense achirechirim. Enyeme wasase su nyina na obetimi de logic and wisdom achirechirim. This point is very important for me. Even science for no omo kase wonu mu ye nhwehwemu di mfidi akese ne niema akese de ye nhwehwemu no krampo no. Wonu mu asaka ebesi wo say I'm talking about the universe. The whole universe, no. There are about 95% of the universe. Science has no knowledge about it. scientists and scientific whatever no about 95%. 95 95% of the whole universe no science has no clue, has no knowledge about it. So how can they even explain it when they have no knowledge? Omo friend uko science no omo friend dark energy and as a dark matter obi a opeso osua ho ade bia you can ubetimi agogo sesi say what is dark energy and as what is dark matter. Science be can chiro say some forces bia they believe they feel say they have connections with the universe, but they have no knowledge about it. They do not know how they are, but they know say they react with the 5% no omatin aye hwehwemu ahun no. Enti enye niema nyina na obetimi de obeka say all the common sense and all the logic and all the wisdom ebetire enye niema nyina na obetimi eniema ni bi wo hono mu a otumfo nyankopon no ankasa obo ya na oyoye no ono na obekire wo kwan a ofa so yo no. Enti eno ne pa ho a ade bia wo ne kwan ade bia onipa pese wo ye bia no se wamfa ekwan ni so a wobeti enti se opese ufri Ghana eko Germany momu wo Germany opese ufri Ghana eko Germany na se wo ka se wo de ponko ana wo de be nante afri Ghana de akọ Germany a wano de obetimi di aka but obia watu sa kwan ni bi pen no onim kwan no otie wo asere no obesere obehunu se one ida se woni nim de e wo kwanto na wo kan wasam no wadwini ne sua e wo akwanto na wo kan wasam no anase bi kwa pa wadwini nya adwuma odwini te sa akwara enti ade bia wo ne kwan se wo pese wo didi aduane no de befa wonum sabi onfa nkofa sabi wase ana se wo pese wo de hwe bibi so wo de wani ana wo de behwe wo pese wo home bibi so wo de wo hwene na wo be home na so obi pese wo home bibi na so wo kofa no so wo de ko hye na sumu a obia onim nyansa bia hunu wo be ka kire se akwa onim nyansa Sara pepepe na se wo pese wo hunu otumfo nyankopon a sɛdeɛ adeɛ bia wɔ ne kwan no ɛkwan a yɛfa so hu otumfo nyankopɔn so wɔ ne kwan enti sɛ wamfa ɛkwan a wodi bɛfa so hu otumfo nyankopɔn no a wobɛti nyankopɔn aka no Quran mu sɛ ɔno no ani kosua wei entimi nhu no na ɔno ne mom wo hu ani no ana ɔno ne mom wo bɛn mu Sara no aka no Bible mu say eniwa ntimi nhunu nyankopon ne ntena nkwam enti eno ne kire yen say we ni ekwan a otumfo nyankopon na bo ato ho say ekwan a wo pese wo de ba ne ho a enye wani ana de behwehwe no it is a scientist bi te ho na so say nyankopon bia ni ho because me nhunu nyankopon a your own logic will tell you say no even dark matter and that's a dark energy crowd no you are telling us say they consist of about 95% of the universe but yentimi and say we have to know the process betimi afa so ayedi behunu say ya afa sa process ni so aye nhunu dia adenti na wo pese wo de nyankopon no de wo de wani na wo de behunu Yankopon waka no Quran mu o say wa iza sa'alaka ibadi anni fa inni qaribun semenko ano ebisaw efa me ho a ka kire won say inni qaribun me be won pa wa iza sa'alaka ibadi anni semenko ano bisaw komsheni sallallahu alaihi wasallam wo mu bisaw efa me otumfo Yankopon ho a ka kire won say inni qaribun na mitie osufre for nisu a osufre me no enti faliasta jibuli enam santi no won munye sutie mame wal yu'minu bi la allahum yarshudun wo mu yesa de ombenya nkunimdie wode ho nkunimdie a ede wo beba otumfo nyankopon nanim eni we ne de honam bia we ne de wontimi fa hunu nyankopon bo nyankopon de wo ye honhom na nyankopon ne ba ye nchen a wo ba ye nchen wo honhom enti so pese wo hunu nyankopon no a ade se wo no so wo fa ekwan no a onu nyankopon na kire ye nse sa kwan we na wo fa so obehumi so wan fa sa kwan no so de enya wo bebre kwa wo be ya argument ama wo fifra te wo se nyankopon bia ni wo so na wo nim ya wo ye so enti common sense family for ni de me no sometimes me mitie o mo kran no o mo ho ye mesere mitie o mo a me nko a mete wona se me hwe o mo some of their videos me hwe mitime sere saa na me hu ni amenya me ho eti na ya me no o mu hia na me ka kire o mo se saa de we pa na mo se common sense pa de a ene o mo di mo achi ni de o ma adwene ni de chen mo mone because me hunu sabi me hunu nyansasem bia o mo ka apart from say wonum be kasa like as a ehuro kasa bi na bia enkrofo a sabi o mo nhye da ni nimde ewo esom ni mu no as ebeye o mo ya na ohun sa ne manual no mutimi ye but they do not speak any logic they do not o mo ntimi nka sabi ensem bia enyansasem and that is why enuntina ye mu bi no eya no mo ntam pese o mo ne ye behia me call mo platform so bia o mo pam me emse mumu bia mu follow Ampa TV no me ne abrante ba ko kan o mo ho me ne ye program e wo no me grana me so oye live program ana me friend me ne yes our program no o kate me 2 times e kire ya me kohwe ono ni video na me hu say o kate me no obi na ba so no obekas na wo say ka ama ni gina so pa na ebisa na sem ana o sa afre me enti asem ni tietie nyina ne say so wo pese wo hu otumfo nyankopon a otumfo nyankopon no owo ne kwan a yedi hunu no te say wokọ oman bia mu na so pese wokọ oman panyini ne ho a oba Ghana na pese wokọ oman panyini na Akufo Addo ho a e wo kwan e wo so fa so ansan watimi akọ president no wo pese wokọ otumfo ho ya na ohini bia ho wo pese wokọ ne ho a e wo kwan e wo so fa so wan fa sa kwan no so obebre kwa untimi nhunu ohene no sa na otumfo nyankopon de no so tie enti minim se mayi wasem na no de abat kakra meka eno no
and you know akana wa question kakra amza kai be 20 minutes be ti obi o question a mutimu bisa
maminka se question bia ma dia me de kakra bi ka sem ne ho de nti ameka se common sense family for sabi omo nka nyansasem bia no eye argument bia illogical argument me can say illogical argument bia some people make, especially when it comes to their argument against Islam. Some people make against Islam. And woman susunya sa arguments no a. No imagine you say omanya asem bia ma no mo susu abe video because enen no bibia wo pe bia no e wo internet so. There are some websites among for creative to speak against Islam. Just as there are some websites among for Muslim phobics who are created to speak against other religions, no. And the only thing they do, and they say they scan through these websites. Now informations are on market canon. No one so pick some informations nibi. No one so akotena no mu video say omanya asem bi eka. Abraham bin Moshe, in one of his videos, or say the Quran was copied from the Bible. Quran no, ye copy free Bible no. And I'm say, kwa we pa, de wanyane fupa, obebi odini nam no. Because sometimes assembly wo hono mo a, wo ye badwimma pa, empie mfiri wa no. So wo ye badwimma empie mfiri wa no da. Because Quran here da hoyi. Ye won ensem bebre ene wo Quran ni mu a any Bible. But they even answer na meba ho krampo no. The argument is that only argument ni say the New Testament was copied from the Old Testament. And a Quran also be copy free both the New and the Old Testament. The argument in say because the Old Testament came first, and then the New Testament, and then the Quran. And I mean, one of many, I think say it was on WhatsApp. And I mean, many microphone be here argument. I say, enti, do you accept? Mojitum say, just because se be a work on some stories, Bible. Some history and as assembly our Bible and was abehu asem kronwa ewo Quran ni munti. You think that because ohunu ewa ha na ohunu wa ha nti no na kire say Quran ye copy free Bible or say ani na say ti when na mo say ye common sense. Okay, me ye frame adubofo. Ye frame obi so Ayub efri Ghana. Ayub efri Ghana. Ana me nso mi free Ghana. Ana me ba ye na me si Ghana ye mampanyini din ye frɛ no Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Ana Ayub so ba no no so say Ghana ye mampanyini din ye frɛ no Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Enti sa me na me di ka be kan ya ɛno ne kyerɛ sɛ Ayub no no so ba be kan ye no kyerɛ sɛ ɔno so ɔkɔpi free me hɔ. We no sa asɛm we say ni sabi nyansa be na wo sa asɛm we. Nipa no Quran no komshani Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam ne say otumfo Nyankopon na ayi sansem we amame. Quran no ankasa so say sansem we say firi otumfo Nyankopon ho. Bible no so Christopher so say anase Jew for so say efiri otumfo Nyankopon ho. Enti assuming without admitting no say ye fa ne say nimi enu nyina efiri otumfo Nyankopon ho a. Adenti ne ye nhunu nyansa nhunu say se Nyankopon na yi nsem ni nyina ma obi dia ebetimi aba se asem no obetimi ayi ama we so ni ebeka ne se da bi we na copy free we ho Radi Nyankopon we say omo say common sense na we omo de anya achidifo na Abraham bi Moshe etimi de sa de we say anya achidifo a oye program o je omo ska we okay o de enfa no nto Quran si ye copy Quran ni free your friends say Bible mu a. In the Quran say lam yalid wa lam yulad. Nyankopon onya oniba. Nyankopon oniba. But Bible no ubehunu ba bi bebre a Nyankopon ka say Ephraim Nyankopon ba, Yesu Nyankopon ba, David Nyankopon ba. Cha say ubenya no ba bi bebre. Sa difference no adenti na ba. Or say Abraham bin Moshe say or copy free komsheni copy Quran na free Bible mu no ba bi oho no mu a o copy anu wati ba bi oho o copy anu wati meanwhile so o say eyi na kire komsheni o Waraka bin Naufal o say Waraka bin Naufal ana kire komsheni Waraka bin Naufal no kwa all kan o say Waraka bin Naufal o ye Jew ana meme ka na sa Waraka bin Naufal na kire komsheni na sa komsheni na be kire da chidifo na komsheni na tia enti Waraka bin Naufal go ntimi kire komsheni no say aha na me kire ono wo kire ono wati enti sisa no enti ni nyina ne say ye wo ensem bebre e wo Quran ni mu a eni Bible ni mu but even some the easiest ones are Quran no ekasafa encrophobia from ad ekasafa encrophobia from Thamud. Sa enipakuo mienu we say no Bible na nka omo ho asem bia eno nso so Quran no kokopi firi hin. Okay, yen fa no nto so far asem bia you a lot of complex issues are Quran no aka Bible no anka me nko those complex issues ni but me one example be the story is in the Bible and the story is in the Quran. Pharaoh and Moses, the story of Pharaoh and Moses. That story is between Egyptians and Israelites. And tisanka ye pe abakwasemu a eka asemu akwa akosi asie dia. Enke wosanke nya free Jew for no Israelites no especially omo because omo na komseni wo omo Moses. And so in the whole story between Moses and Pharaoh no eka di besise na ensuo no efa Pharaoh. But yes, Quran also can say ensuo no efa Pharaoh. But the Quran goes ahead and tell us say sa Pharaoh no emra ensuo ne Pharaoh no afei na oji Nyankopon di ye. Say afei na maji Moses Nyankopon na di. Ana Nyankopon say afei na waji di. Enie I will save you only in the body. I will say Moses mahu so omo kika di di nsem bi. Na ya na nipa nimre ane de ayi o man ntia na mfiri so omo o say I will save you only in the body. Ene won ma kwa ko tu emra o mu to the Suez and Panama Canal. Omo ko hunu sa Pharaoh no a oda nsuo na sese ne body no employer yayi sa emu no e de akwakoto Cairo Museum. I think so omo kire kra say asha say no omo de ne ko omo say France ana Egyptians no ekokon ho no omo de omo ade ebre omo asese e da Cairo Museum. Sa asem we say no adena in the history of the Egyptians omo anka, in the history of the Israelites so omo anka, even Moses no a oye komsheni no yentimi nka se Nyankopon anyi ankere no oye komsheni ebetimi abase Nyankopon yi kire no but Nyankopon amman ne kwans on kanto dwa. But komsheni Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam ono ne ba akire Moses achi about 2000 years. Ano ono ne be ka kire yen say Nyankopon esave Pharaoh only in the body. And the Pharaoh dansuoni. So as we say it is made the known that it is one of the miracles of the Quran. And then yakohunu say ampa na Pharaoh no odansuoni mu ampa. Enti the fact say ubehunu say story no ewa ha ana oba book we mu nso a story no ewo mu no does not simply mean say we ba copy free back. No, it could mean say they are coming from the same source. Both of them are coming. Say them they me any Ayub eyen faton no. Yemi na ye Ghana for enti ye be kan asam na ye nim ne ye kan. Enye say me na me copy free ono ne ho ana ono no copy free me ho. But ye nyina ye free bia ba ko na eba enti ye kan asam ne se de nim no. Sa na asam ne tie. But ebia emrepem no ye be sheda ape some of omons ni bia omokeka no na yayi ya no inshallah.
I'm sure. Mr. Ismail now pass obi say bi.
Yeah, okay.
Mo ano consider kakara. Mo ano
Wa alaikum salam.
I'm not sure the question is another movie before they say, in a dance hall. And what are what you actually, I'm a yasin in a nation. Why we soccer say, most of Mama did not know, but it's a both Christians and a Muslim. I know that Islam, they are by our time, yeah, which is natural hadith. I say, I can't go on the bus as you can see that. Say, if it's shy, Muslim, but they don't, but it is a war. I did not very take it of the sun in the moon, if you want, but I would come back. If you just say, if you anyway, the question is, won't be the very good more. The energy, professional, if you move without question, I think that's now the good is actually now. Besides, also, my different, we say, in a exciting degree. But when you have some inside about, then I'm some supposed to say, can't be there, that's what the very best show, yeah, say, Christian, and the Muslim won't say, Mama, I did not. Question.
Okay. O question de ehia mre pa
sa ya ta so ba ne o nyina se enya idea se be 2 weeks time ne betuma yi sa question ya because next week from Friday to Sunday Jesus Salana England
yeah
so me nyine se ya bet you are meet you know because about Jesus course England because of pandemic not to say ain't monsoon transfer meeting no isabo
so me can bibi kakra bi na me dey see so pe science efa Imam Mahdi alayhi salam ni maye eho a first of all no say na me ka sasim ya me chem enum ye wo ba ko na wo kan science but ye wo time a e wo se wo ba time emre a wo se wo ba ani ye wo science a wo kan no ani ye wo baabi a e wo se wo pie free ani ye wo mission a botayenti a oba and the last one no mekai my trotro baby but what is that science ninti no may can just maybe one or two things. First of all, oko Bible mu a Bible science a ebobo fa Messiah ni maye ho. Oba Quran mu nso a Quran nso so science a abobo afa Messiah ni maye ho ana maadi ni maye ho. Ana oko hadith nso so science a abobo of course edurumre bi a obenya ebi wo saa nwoma miensa nyina mu ubenya ebi ewo saa enwoma miensa nyina mu but one of the simplest science metimi ade aka any say even sesiye ya ye ka say what we are using to talk say WhatsApp say Skype say there social media abano it is a sign for the coming of the Imam al-Mahdi. If we say okay, Quran chapter I think say 81 and Surah to Takwir. Surah to Takwir more of prophecies. But they are prophecies also for the latter days. One of which is the coming of the Imam al-Mahdi. Ena Muslim for ni bebre share am for madwin koso. But asamba ko a ewo mu ene say o say Bajo, just 1 minute. Emra obeka enipa abom baako eho na mehwehwe. Okay, verse 8. Wase wa idha nufusu zuwijat. Emra obeka enipa abom baako. Ene enimdiafo ede efin biaba say ye will be a friend the global village. The global village, and say the global village yɛka village a obi anim n'ase kyerɛ sɛ yɛka sɛ village a ebia akura ketewa bi a nipa yɛ nyinaa bi a yɛ nyinaa kora yɛ ninim yɛ ho ɔho ana ɔmo sisi ano the globe no ewiase ni nyinaa no abɛyɛ one village yɛ nyinaa yɛ bom baako. This is a prophecy a ɛwɔ Quran mu a abem. Enti the Quran is telling us say emire bi beduru a yɛbɛka ni nipa ni nyinaa bom baako. Enti apart from sa efi a ɔmo se yɛfrɛ yɛ global village no yɛwɔ bibi a yɛfrɛ no UN, United Nations. Yɛwɔ bibi a yɛfrɛ no ECOWAS, the economic of West African states. You will be a friend AU, African Union. You will be a friend EU, European Union. So, sanyema wenu nyina ye niema aka nipa bombako. Ene with just a click. Bibia ensi wo wiase afana bia no you can see it. Bibia ensi wo wiase afana bia no ubetimi ahu say asem sei na ekoso ha. Asem say na ekoso ha said ye nka ye nyina yete akura ba ako ase a asem bi si ha ye nyina yete no sa pepepe na aye. That is why they called today's world a global village, and it is a sign for the coming of the Imam al-Mahdi. And Surah Takwir mu no ensemu a aka di besi bese chase almost about verse 20 and as say no ni nyina ye prophecies a ede ye ko Imam al-Mahdi no ema yenim. That is one sign. Then the second sign, which is also in Surah Takwir, eye akokon ntokwa any terrorist activities are ekoko so Al-Qaeda, Al-Shabaab, ede just terrorist activities are ekoko so nyina no ni nyina no eye signs for the coming of the Imam al-Mahdi. Enti emrenti no medibesi ha but yame admo a bia edafoforo no ebehye da nyamre na yakọ all the 5 stages: time, science, mission, and a place, and there's another one. Yame admo inshallah ebeka inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. Imam yame shira we bre to said welcome. Na next 2 weeks next week they have said me kan the meeting na Mislamu anuanos mo pampa na bia Imam from Ghana edin krabia ma mesen fa ma muti mo ba twen kakada na media mamo na ansa obi actually so misra mo twen kakra the Imam sa obama silent prayers.
Okay. Amen. Acha ya bompa. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم. ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار. آمين.